Hi friends, I'm back with one more video. Okay, so today we will be discussing about the debit spread V-shape adjustments. Just in case if we have the market structure in the kind of V shape or A shape, so today we will discuss about the unique adjustments. And looking at this English, so don't get confused. You know, right? I've started the Telugu version, so just to differentiate between my Telugu audience and English audience. So what I'm planning to do is like I'll add an English label on the thumbnail so that all the English audience can directly pick the English videos, and I'll add a Telugu label on my thumbnail so that just to differentiate whether this is English or Telugu. So let me show you. Let me take you back to my YouTube. So this is the way I wanted to differentiate, right? The moment you see Telugu, so people who doesn't understand Telugu, so they can just ignore this video, and maybe I'll add that video now English. So the moment you see the English, so English people, not English people, audience who can understand the English can just go and watch that video. And just in case if someone knows both English and Telugu, so it's a bumper offer for them. So I'll try to maintain the same content across Telugu and English, but it all depends, right? So based on the language you are comfortable, right? So based on that, things might differ, but 80 to 90% of the content will be same. Okay, so let me quickly take you back to the slide. So this is all about V-shape adjustments. Okay, so for this I've taken this example. We're going to do this demo or the sort of simulations on Bank Nifty for this week. For 18th start date is the 18th, and when I say V-shape, this is the V-shape, friends, right? It market came down, within the same week market went up, so this is a V-shape. So definitely we will be going for put debit spread. So just in case if you have this market, right, like this, I'll try to find one example, and like this, so this is sort of opposite of V-shape. So then we'll start with call debit spread, and here we will show. Okay, hold on, before I tell the adjustments, hold on, I'll let you know. So basically what we are trying to do is like we are trying to deploy a put debit spread here, and right, this is the market shape. Okay, why I'm deploying the put debit spread here? Because market has already given a 4% upside moment. I know there is a strong resistance here. Let's see, already it made resistance, and maybe the market is here. I'm just taking a risk actually, because having the view is must in debit spread. Not only in debit spread, be it debit spread, be it directional, non-directional, having the view is must. If someone is denying the fact of learning the price action, without learning the price action I can still make a good money from stock market, boss, just and it's up to you. You can get the profit, but only on the short term, maybe once, twice, but end of the day you lose your money, because it's all about price action. Without the view of the market, you cannot deploy the trades. You should be in a position to know, boss, should I go for debit spread, should I go for iron fly, should I go for call debit spread, should I go for put debit spreads, right? This all clarity, right, the judgment, the thought process, right, you'll get to know only when you have the price action. So when market was standing here on 18th, I thought maybe there is a strong resistance, and moreover the market went almost like 4% up, so market might retrace. See, market cannot go straight like this, right? Market will go straight, it will retrace, and then if required, if market again, it will go up. So market cannot go straight for 10% or 9%. Already it has given a 4% move. So I was expecting a sort of retracement, or it can be a reversal. Two things, it can be a retracement and then it will go up. Even that retracement is fine. See, for me, for my put debit spread, only 1% move is enough. Let's say the market has already made 4% and the market is making just a 1% of downside. This is enough for me to capture my profit, because when the market falls, it falls like anything. So your put debit spread will give you more profit rather than your call debit spread. Yes, call debit spread will also give you profit, but the advantage with put debit spread is like when market falls, your wicks increase. Increasing wicks will increase your premium of your buy position. That's fair, right? Whenever we are deploying the debit spread, we are buyer. Just to mitigate the loss, to 50%, we are converting it to debit spread, but still we are a option buyer. All right, so more of, see, I don't like more of theory. I want everything to be practical. So let me take you to practical. So this is the start date, 18th is the start date, 25th is the expiry, right? We are at 3 p.m. So we are going to deploy a debit spread, put debit spread. So market stands at 39,683. Let's take it 39,700 round figure. Okay, let's do it very quickly, right? What I'll do, I'll look out for like because just see, usually what happens is like this 230 or 240 will be at 500 strikes. See, 39,700 is my ATM. So usually we get this 230 maybe at 500 strike, but just because we are getting at the third OTM, that means the VIX might be low. See, I might be wrong, but VIX might be low. If VIX is high, right, high premiums will be there. If VIX is low, low premium. So what I'll do, I'll go for 231 buy, because this is, if you watch my English videos, right, I'm sorry, see, just because I've started the Telugu version, so I'm just differentiating all my debit spread end-to-end series. I take these premiums, right, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, ideally from 220 to 260. Okay, so now this is a perfect for me. I'll buy this. I'm just going for put debit spread, half of this premium or 500. So I bought this, right, so 500 strikes, 1 2 3 4 5, that's it. I'll go for this sell. So this is my typical put debit spread, right? Needless to say, I've done maybe 20 30 40 50 videos like my real-time trades. I'm not going to explain. So all the new whoever is watching this video for the first time, boss, please go back to my playlist and you have to watch my entire series. So this is just to show you how to do the A shape adjustment or V shape adjustment. Okay, now my debit spreads. I'll not do that 30 minute simulation. Okay, so I'll take you to the next day. Right, next day your profit is 4,000. This is almost like 13% on your capital deployed. The capital deployed is 25,000. Next day you got 13%. If required, you can just exit this entire trade and look out for fresh opportunity. That's it, because you are getting 13 to 14% with the overnight. This is the beauty of put debit spread. Believe me, even if you are an option buyer, I think buying the option will make you more money rather than buying the call. This is proven fact, because you know there is something called VIX. When the market is falling, VIX will increase. Increasing VIX will increase your premium. So as a buyer, you want increasing VIX, you want premiums to increase basically as a buyer. But if you are a seller, you want premiums to decay. You got it? So now if you want, you can exit because you got 13%, but still for the demonstration purpose I'm showing you, if you still want to hold this trade, if you have a strong gut feeling saying that market can still go down by, let's say you have a strong, let's say market stands here, this, let's say this one, right, this breakout, market has given this breakout, so market can still go. See, I'll just leave it to you, the price action and everything, I'll leave it to you. If I start talking about the price action, the video will become lengthy. If required, you can exit the trade, or else you can hold. Next day, right, you got 8,200. This is almost like 36% within 2 days with your debit spread. Now this will be foolishness in case if you still want to do some adjustments in terms of doing roll up, roll down, converting this to butterfly, converting this to blah blah blah, all those strategies. I will exit this, and believe me friend, I've done this actually. If required, I'll just attach put that URL. So wherein for this particular week I've done that actually. I went for a put debit spread, and here the moment I captured like 10 to 13%, I went for a, see, hold on, I'll not tell that adjustments, that if I tell that adjustments, you'll exit this video. Okay, so now what I can do, okay, now I'm getting almost 36%. If required, I can exit the trade, or else if you still know that market can still go down, because you almost got, see, you out of 9,300 you got almost 8,000, so there is only 1,000 profit. Yes, stay with, I think stay with me. I'm just going to come up with some unique out of box adjustment videos wherein you can increase this 9,300 to 15,000 also. But the only thing is like I need more of subscribers. See, when I say, I mean it. Give me that more subscribers, so then I'll come up with out of box adjustments. Even this is one of the out of box adjustments, right? I'm a kind of into experimental trade. I have like 10 to 15 another adjustments on the debit spread which I have not even released on the YouTube. The only thing is like once my YouTube subscribers increase, so then only I'll come up with those adjustments. If you have trust, I know there are like plenty of people who have trust in me, because all the adjustments I show with free of content, right? Tell me one video, tell me one YouTuber who is because I've made almost like 40 videos in the debit spread, right? 10 to 15 unique adjustments only in debit spread, right? Tell me one YouTuber who has given all these adjustments for free. First of all, there is no YouTube. Hardly I think even in that 10 to 15 adjustments, like people might be charging you, they might be telling you like 1 or 2, 3, 4 adjustments, but still even the experienced traders do not know all these adjustments. When I say, I mean it, friend. And right, the signature strategy that came up with my own style. So I have like 3 to 4 own signature strategies, and even I have like another 2 to 3 signature strategies which I'm playing with my bigger account. The only thing is like I need like more subscribers, so then I'll be revealing all those strategies. Okay, back to this thing. So now what I'll try to do, let's say I'll exit this trade for sure. I'll exit this for sure. But what did I say? This is a sort of V shape, because we know market is, see, market came down, from here market is going up actually. We all know, right? Because market goes up. So what if the market goes up, right? And then we will end up into this loss area. So either I'll try to convert this to butterfly. So this is my put. So what I'll try to do to convert this to butterfly, already I have one buy position, one sold position. So I have to increase this sold position. That's what I've made that video in Telugu also. So I have one buy position, I have one sold position. So I'll increase this sold position with 1, and then this will become 2 at the same strike, 38,900, and to maintain this difference of 500, I'll buy one 500 spread difference put. Okay, let me delete this. So I'll go to option chain. So I have to buy 38,900 PE to convert this to butterfly. 38,900, where does it stand? 38,900. I'm selling this, right? Before I do this, I'll do one thing. I'll not convert this to butterfly, but let's say if someone is very aggressive saying that, okay, based on your price action, market came here, there's a strong support, market can make a bounce back. So then you guys can do this adjustment also. So adjustment number 1 is just convert this to 1:2. So you have 1 buy position and 2. So this is almost like 1:2. So let me take you to the expiry day. Your profit is 14,000 right away. Previous day it was 8,000. The next day your profit is at 14,000. The next day profit is 18,000. So are we on the expiry day? No. 24th expiry day your profit is almost 21,000. But this has the risk also because your loss is unlimited. So let me get you back to again 22nd. This was my original trade. Okay, so we have seen adjustment number 1 by just converting your debit spread to ratio spread. Second point, I'm a very conservative trader. I know if market makes a down moment of 2%, so then I'll end up into my unlimited loss area. So what I'll do, I'll convert this to butterfly. So how to convert this? So I have 38,900 two sold positions. So I have the 500 spread difference. So I'll go for 38,400. I'll buy 38,400 to convert this to butterfly. Right, 38,400. Right, 38,400. Because many people are complaining me that my videos are becoming lengthy. So I'll take it as a lesson, because even I wanted my videos to be like short. Okay, let's make it very short. Right now I've converted back to butterfly. So butterfly, what does butterfly see? Minimum you have a profit of 5,400, 5,300 on the call side, 5,300 on the upside, and still you have the potential of getting 17,000 profit just in case the market expires at your sold position. That means in the middle of the cone. Okay, let me take you to next day, right? 8,000 is your profit. Next day, okay, 9,266. Next day, 11,000. Expiry day you got almost like 13,000. So you now calculate your profit. What is 13,000 and a capital of, maybe initially it was taking 25,000. So now we have deployed one credit spread. Basically you have deployed one credit spread. See, what is butterfly basically? What is butterfly? Butterfly is a combination of one debit spread and one credit spread. So do not go on the naming convention of butterfly. What is butterfly? You have a debit spread. This was your original. This is your debit spread. Put debit spread. And what did you do? The moment you had 8,000 of profit on 22nd of August, so what you have done, right, to convert it back to butterfly, you have deployed a credit spread. What is this, boss? What is this? You sold 38,900 and you bought 38,000 for. This is your credit spread. All right. So debit spread plus credit spread equal to your butterfly. That's it. I mean, see, I've discussed many times. You have to decouple, right? This is your debit spread, right? This is your sorry, my bad. One second. This is your, we have deployed the put debit spread, right? Your put debit spread looks something like this. We all know initially the payoff was, market was standing here. The moment market came here, what you have done, you have deployed a credit spread, that is put credit spread, right? This is how your credit spread. This is your debit spread, this is your credit spread. Combination of these two is your butterfly. Okay, back to this thing, right? Your profit is increased. Now again, let me get you back to 22nd, right? The original trade. Right, we have seen like 2 to 3 variation. Now I'm showing you another variation. I'll delete this thing. Okay, I'll delete this thing. So now already I got 8,200 profit. Okay, I pretty well know that, okay, market has already given me. So what is this movement actually from here? Market has already given you almost like 4%, right? 4% of downside movement. So you pretty well know based on your price action. Let's say, see, already I got 8,000, which is like 36%. So let me take 2,000. See, I'll block the 6,000 profit. Let me take the 2,000 profit as a risk. And how about deploying a call debit spread? Yes, you are. I mean, you're on the same page. Yes, that's what I'm telling. So how about exiting this debit spread with 36 percentage and deploy a call debit spread, because this is put debit spread, and deploy a call debit spread, not put debit spread, my dear friends. I'm talking about call debit spread because you know there is a strong support, market can go up. And what are you doing? You're just playing with the profit. You got 8,000 profit, 6,000 profit you're blocking. Still that will be like maybe 25 to 28%, and remaining 6 to 7% of the profit you're just putting on the table in terms of exploring the market. If just in case if the market goes up, you can get additional 10 to 15% of the profit. But before doing this, let me show you what if I deploy, right? What if I deploy the call debit spread here? Okay, what if I deploy the call debit spread deploy on top of my put debit spread? Okay, where is the market standing? The market stands now at 38,300. Let me go to 38,300. Okay, this is your market standing 38,300. So I want to deploy a call debit spread. I am on the mid of the week, so I'll not look out for 500 debit spread because I am on the mid of the week, because I've already deployed the trade. I am on 22nd, so there is only 2 days for the expiry, so I'll not look out for 500 points. So let me say I'll buy this. This is call debit spread, and what is half of 196, right? 100, right? So let me sell this. That's it. This is my call debit spread on top of my put debit spread. Okay, this is how your payoff will become. So your maximum profit is 14,000 here, right? 6,000 here, and your minimum profit will be 2,000. So let me show you. I'll take you to the next day. Next day, so keep an eye on this profit. Next day, right, you got with 10,000 profit, but this is not the trade I want. Okay, I was just showing you all the different permutations and combinations. So what I'll do, see, anyways I got 8,000 profit on 22nd. So why should I deploy a call debit spread on top of the debit spread? How about booking this profit? That's it. I'll exit my trade, my original put debit spread. Okay, because I've already got 33% of the profit. I'll exit this, and then on top of that I'll deploy a call debit spread. So again, see the potential, you will have 13,000 profit. Initially your profit was only 8,000. By just exiting your put debit spread and converting it to call debit spread, that's what I told you, right? See, there is no loss basically. There is no, but still, see, I mean, if I talk about that thing, video will become lengthy, but let's try to digest it now. Now what I'll try to do, I'll take you to the next day, right? Your profit has increased from 8,000, it came to 9,600, right? From your original profit was 8,000 change, and now it came to 11,476 and 13,143. So you will be amazed to see, because you have exited your put debit spread and then you have deployed the call debit spread. You have not deployed a single extra margin. Even this is one of the call debit spread. So ideally that will take how much of capital? 25,000. So profit 13,000 divided by 25,000 is your capital, into bank nifty lot size is 50. So you made, sorry, okay, what is this? 13,000 divided by 25,000 into 100. You will be amazed. You made 52%, friends. You made 52% in 1 week. And I have done this. I've not made 52%, but I think ideally I've made like 40 to 42% during that particular week. I'll try to search that video. I think already I've made that video. That was my real debit spread. Okay, see, end of the day, these are all common sense adjustments. What you have to do is, like, you have to come up with that thought process, friends. You have to come up with the thought process. This is not the end of adjustments. I can still increase this 13,000 to 20,000 also, but the only thing is, like, I need subscribers. Unless and until I have more subscribers, I'll be not revealing, because if you have trust in me, try to do that contribution from your side. Because see, I'll tell you one thing, friends. See, why I'm requesting. See, my subscriber list is like 2,000, around 2,000. Let's say if one each of your subscriber take a commitment of, okay, from my side I'll give 5 subscriber to hybrid trader only. So if 2,000 into 5, that next day my subscriber list will increase to 10,000. It's in your hands. See, honest I'm telling, see, because I've been making 400 videos, I've been making like unique content. Check this, friends, right? I've made, see, these are all my real trades. I made 10% in butterfly, 4.2% in debit spread, 10% in MTF. I'm doing on the swing trading. I'm telling you options. I'm telling you about the USD INR. Maybe tomorrow I'll come up with another instrument. All the unique adjustments, out of box adjustments. Yes, I know Yes, my subscribers are very low because it's been like only 5 months or 6 months, and moreover I've started this YouTube channel with my learning phase. I'm not a successful trader. Majority of the YouTubers, once they become successful like after 4 years, 5 years, so then they'll start with the YouTube. But this is a unique for me. Basically I've started with my day one learning, but still I'm glad that I got 2150 subscribers. I'm more happy, but again I wanted to increase this so that I can come up with like more unique content. Believe me friend, I have like hundreds of videos pending with me, though there is no end of the video. But just in case if I do not get the subscribers, so there is no point in me doing all the videos, right? So I can just focus on my full-time trading. That's my goal, right? Maybe after 3 months, 4 months, once I become the full-time trader, so I'll be not making all these videos. Yes, if the subscriber list keeps increasing, definitely that motivation will come in. See, sorry friends, and each and every video I'm just telling you to increase my subscribers, because yeah, maybe out of this 2000, maybe there could be like genuine 10% of my viewers, right, who are following me, right? If you look at this views, right, see, out of 2000, right, there is almost 50% of the viewers are watching my video, right? That is very good. 50% of the conversion rate, which is too good, friends. If someone has 10 lakhs viewers and only 1 lakh, or maybe like not even 1 lakh, like 20,000 people are watching it, that's not a good reason. Yeah, I know Telugu views will be very less because this is just a start. I've started like yesterday, right? So basically what I'm planning to do is like I'll do 2 videos now, Telugu and English. So friends, all the English viewers, do not be in an impression saying that I'm just focusing more on the Telugu. No, see, already I've done this video in Telugu, and already I'm also doing this video in English. So I'll be launching 2 videos at a time, so that no English viewer should get into a bias saying that this guy started doing the Telugu version. Yes, I have the plan of doing the Hindi videos also. I love doing the videos because end of the day my learning is increasing. Okay, and whoever is watching my video for the first time, friends, please join my Telegram channel, right, wherein I'll be discussing about my trade logic, about my graphs, about the price action, all my real-time trades and everything. And also, you know, right, I'm just starting to come up with quiz, so I'll be like sharing this quiz in my description, in the YouTube description. So please start taking the quiz. So initially it was like more into Telegram, so now I wanted to make it like more organized. So I'm just going to what do we say, the Google form, so wherein I'll get all the this thing also, what do we say, the response also. See, so far like 61 people have taken the quiz, right? This guys, 5 out of 61 are standing at 100%. Kudos to you. And 90%, like 14, right, 14 people from almost like the 60 are standing at 90%. So kudos to you. Yes, this is a very basic, but believe me, I'm just planning to come out with almost like strategy wise quiz, right? You can expect like 10 to 15, so that is like 150 to 200 questions on the debit spread, right, from basics to medium to advanced to super advanced, with all the payoff graphs and everything. So I'll be giving you with explanation. See, check this, I'll be giving you with explanation. See, if you take this quiz, right, if you're right or wrong, I'm just giving you the explanation, friend. I'm just giving you the explanation, and as and when I prepare that this is just a sample. I'll try to give more explanation, so that your thought process, your concepts will become very what do we say, clear with your concepts, right, rather than just listening theory. So I do theory, I show practical, and on top of that I'm just trying to come up with this quiz. So when I'm putting so much of effort, friends, it also right, you need to put some effort, right? Get me more subscribers, that's what I can say. All right, thank you friends, thank you for watching my video.